Right. Okay. Let me share my screen. So just an important update. Okay. Once the recording is done, okay. So you can see one convert option. Convert will open, guys. It will take 2 minutes like that to convert the whole video. Once conversion is done, it will open this kind of folder. Automatically, this folder will be opened, guys. Automatically, this folder will be opened. So the last file is your actual recording file. Video 18601705548 is there, right? This is your actual recording file, guys. You can use this video. You can completely save this video separately in another folder, guys. And remember, guys, it's very important. Try to segregate the things. If you're learning means try to learn in a good way. Okay, try to segregate the things. Keep all the create different folders, notes for notes, softwares, videos. Okay, so just create separate folders for each item so that you can segregate the things. So it will be easy for you to search the things and all. Otherwise, you cannot waste your time in searching the things where I have kept. Create some folders, good folders, and keep all the SQL stuff in that particular folder. Just create one folder, Sql DBA classes. In that, create one folder for notes, create one folder for videos, create one folder for softwares. I don't want you to waste the time, okay? Just by searching on all these things and all. Clear, guys? This is your actual video file. Keep it in somewhere. Just copy. Just right click, copy this file. You can keep it in somewhere, guys. Okay, right? Chalo. Let's continue. So, guys, any issues, any doubts till now? Any questions? Can I continue? Or anything you want to update? Any suggestions? Classes are going too fast, too slow, too basic. Any suggestions, guys? Any suggestions, please? Is it fine? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, done. Okay, fine, guys. So what a DBA will do, we'll discuss it tomorrow, guys. So it will take time. So everything I have to explain, right? It will take some time. We'll discuss tomorrow about these points and all. What exactly a DBA will do once you got the job? What is your daily responsibilities? What is your day-to-day activities? We'll discuss tomorrow, sir. Okay. So let's discuss about the course now. Course duration is 45 days, 1.5 months, guys. As we have started by 31st Jan. Let me mute you all. 3 participants are missing, guys. Okay, in case of any questions, you can unmute and you can ask me, sir. Everyone. Okay, so as we are starting today, we are going to complete by March 15th. Okay, March 15th plus or minus 2-3 days, sir. Okay, plus or minus 2-3 days. We are going to complete by March 15th. Okay, and daily we are going to connect morning at 7 a.m. to 8:50. Morning at 7 a.m. to 8:50 depends upon the topic. If the topic is little bit lengthy, might be the session can be extended till 9 o'clock. But usually the usual time is 7 to 8:50, guys. Okay, done. Who can learn this course? So everyone, those who completed the diploma, those who are having a graduation, you can learn this course, sir. Okay, everyone who completed the diploma, who is having a diploma, who is holding a graduation or BTech, anything, you can learn this course. This is useful for you, sir. It's no matter which technology you are, which background you are, which group you are. Forget about all the things. Okay, if you are able to understand whatever I'm teaching, then that's fine, sir. If you have laptop, that's excellent. Okay, so everyone is eligible to get a job as a SQL DBA. Believe me, if you are from non-background student, don't worry how to learn and all. I'll try to simplify the things. We are going to use lot of tools and all. We are going to use diagrams to learn the things, to simplify the things. I'm going to use the diagrams, guys. I'll show you the diagrams also. Okay, so we are going to use this software, this application. Please mute, sir. Please mute. If you don't have questions, please mute. I'll request you to mute, sir. Okay, so we are going to use this kind of software, guys. Okay, this is an application. We'll use this application. By using this application, we are going to draw the diagrams, guys, to simplify the things. I'll try to simplify. Believe me, for the first 10 to 15 days, I'll give you, I'll just simply spoon feed you guys. Spoon feeding is there. Okay, just simply you can see these are the diagrams for the last batch. Okay, so if you don't understand, you can happily, you can ask your doubts, you can raise your concerns, you can whatever things you have, you can happily, you can get back to me, I'll help you guys. Simply, literally, it's a spoon feeding. Okay, so nothing to worry. Why? Because 90% or 80% is non-background, non-technical people will be there. MCOM, BCom, MBA. Okay, so other technologies like EC. Okay, different other groups and all is there, right? So nothing to worry. Which background you are, that's not an issue. And after so many years, again you are starting reading. Okay, forget that also. Believe me, just believe me. 1.5 month, you have to believe me. Okay, forget that. I am from non-technical background. A lot after so many years, I started reading. Can I understand? Forget all those things. I am there to help you out. So no matter from which background you are, no matter how much gap you are, how much gap you have, guys, happily you can learn this course. If you are able to understand the things, that's fine. You can easily learn the things, guys. Okay, so everyone is eligible only, but what I am looking, guys, very like, to be frank, I need some dedication from you guys. At least 1.5 month, just 1.5 month. Okay, 25 years gone, 26 years gone, 27 gone, 28 gone. This many years we just spent our time, right? 28 years, almost half of our life. I need only 1.5 month from your lifespan, sir. Everyone, just 1.5 month. Believe me, just learn with me, just try to be with me for this 1.5 month, and I hope definitely you will get good subjects, sir. No doubt about it. Once, see, subject is nothing but confidence. I'm there to build the confidence in all of you guys. Okay, so believe me, love the subject. Don't come to this class that my friend told me to join this class, my brother told me to join this class, my nephew told me to join this class, my brother-in-law told me to join this class. Don't come to me that my friend is earning 10 lakhs as a DBA. Don't come with those thoughts. Okay, just come with your, what we can say, a pure mind, pure soul. Love the subject, love the subject, love the subject for this next 1.5 month. Believe me, if you love the subject, you will have the confidence. If you have the confidence, you can crack the interview. If you crack the interview, you can happily get married, sir. I know a lot of people. You came like 27, 28, 29, 30, 32. Your goal is ultimately marriage, right? Of course, I'm talking about the boys, guys. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so that's the main important thing. Don't come to get married here. Just love the subject, love the subject, guys. Love the subject for the next 1.5 month, guys. Okay, and everyone can listen this course, everyone can join this course and learn this course, guys. Only thing is dedication is very important for this 1.5 month, 2 months. If you are dedicated, I'll happily help you guys. Okay, listen carefully. I will see only dedication. How dedicated you are, I'll see, guys. Based on that, I can extend my support and all. Okay, how to practice, I'll tell you each topic we are going to discuss. Okay, and I'll also give you the software. So I'll tell you how to do that. I'll show you the demo also, each concept, so that you can practice by just watching my videos. Okay, initially you can remember the things, but it's always good to watch the video before practicing the things, guys. Lab setup and prerequisites for setting up the lab, guys. We need one laptop to practice. We need one laptop to practice, and that laptop, this time, okay, laptop configuration can be 4 GB. Laptop configuration can be 4 GB, guys. A 4 GB laptop is enough, but again, some challenges are there. If you have 8 to 12 GB, 12 GB laptop is there, that's excellent. Okay, right? If you have only 4 GB, sir, guys, I am going to show you how to configure the things on Azure VMs also. So in case if you have less configuration, nothing to worry. Almost all the topics you can complete in Azure VMs, only Windows cluster. Okay, only Windows cluster, you cannot configure it. But all the topics you can configure it on Azure VMs, guys. For Azure VMs, to create Azure account, you should have credit card. So guys, if you have 8 to 12 GB RAM machine is there, that's excellent. Or if you have 4 GB with one credit card, okay, is also fine, guys. Okay, we are going to use credit card to create Azure account. Nothing charged, guys. 1 month it will be free. you will get 14,000 rupees. You cannot withdraw that money, sir. Okay, you will get 14,000 rupees to practice the things. Okay, you will get 14,000 rupees to practice the things, and you can use Azure account to practice the things. Only one concept that you cannot, that will also I'll figure it out and I'll fix this issue and I'll try to, okay, provide that Windows cluster also. But if you can, if you want to practice on on-prem machines like Oracle VMs, you can happily practice on Oracle VMs. Okay, I'll show you both, sir. No trainer is showing both. Okay, on-prem and Azure VMs. Definitely, you can ask, you can check with them. Any trainer, no trainer is showing both, and our training will be completely more than 75 hours. Believe me, completely more than 75 hours. In the market nowadays, no one is giving 75 hours of SQL DBA training. You can check. If you have any inquiries, you can go to that, you can ask them how many hours of training you are giving. Simply they will tell you 20, 25, hardly 30 hours. Okay, so we are going to teach more than 75 hours of training, guys. So this is the prerequisites for setting up the lab. You should have one laptop to practice with 8 to 12 GB or 4 GB, one credit card, and good internet connection. Good internet connection. Let me mute you guys. I'm not sure why I don't have questions, why you are unmuting. Okay, let me mute you. In case of questions, then only you just please unmute, guys. Otherwise, please don't unmute. It is creating some disturbance. I'm sorry for that. Softwares and notes I'm going to provide you, sir. Everyone, I'm going to provide you guys softwares and notes. I'm going to provide you. Okay, like once these demos are completed, I'll provide you the softwares, all the softwares that we are going to use across the training. I'm going to provide you the softwares. Of course, I'll provide you the notes also. Each topic I'll provide you the notes. Guys, those who love the subject, those who came to learn the subject, my best suggestion, if you want to become a good DBA, prepare your own notes. Once class is done, then go through the recordings, prepare your own points. Believe me, if you prepare your own notes, believe me, guys, okay, definitely that note should be like everyone has to follow your notes. That much information you have to gather, guys. That much information you have to gather. Of course, I'm going to give you a lot of things. Still, in case if anything I'm missing, you can Google it and you can add some points to that notes. In that range, you have to prepare your notes. If you prepare your own notes, believe me, definitely you'll get the job with 10 lakhs package. I'm sure about it. If you prepare your own notes, definitely you will get a job with the 10 lakhs package, guys. Of course, if you are having 4 to 5 years of experience. Okay, so that's for sure. Prepare your own notes by just watching the videos. Prepare your own notes. Okay, so if you prepare it, definitely you will get a good job. That's a good way of learning, guys. Any technology, not only SQL DBA. If you want to learn any technology, try to prepare your own notes. Okay, try to research it, try to elaborate the things. Right, of course, I'm going to provide you the notes also. Meeting software that will be used for the recordings throughout the course will use Zoom. And this Zoom, we discussed, right, the challenges with the Zoom. And I'll give you the recording permissions for everyone. I'll give you the recording permissions for everyone. You can record each and every session. That sessions will be stored in your laptop only. You can immediately access those sessions. If you missed any class, I will also record from my side, and I will also share those recordings with all of you guys. Initially, for the first 10 days, okay, I am going to upload the videos in my channel. Okay, we have a channel, SQL DBA classes. Go to the YouTube, go to SQL DBA classes. There you can see, okay, this is our channel with the 3 black servers, guys. Okay, go to this channel, go to the video section or playlist section. Okay, or go to the video section. There your batch is batch 42, sir. Batch 42, guys. I'm sorry. I'm getting sorry every time. Okay, your batch is batch 42. The classes will be uploaded like this. You can see here, these are batch 41 classes, guys. SQL DBA batch 41 class 58, batch 41 class 59. Like that, classes will be uploaded. Not all the classes again. You cannot get all the classes from the YouTube. I will upload only 10 to 15 days classes. Okay, 10 to 15 days. Remaining one month classes, of course, I'm going to share with you. Okay, directly to your email ID. And again, don't share the recordings with anyone. That's very important. Okay, that's very important, guys. Okay, so you can record it. Still, if you miss any recordings and all, I'll help you to send those recordings. So this is our plan, guys, for recordings and all. Okay, fine. Next is doubts and exercises. Guys, you can stop me at any point, at any time. Don't hesitate to ask the doubt. If you don't ask the doubts, I'll ask you the doubts, guys. In two scenarios, we don't ask the doubts. One is if you know everything, you don't ask the doubts. Second one is if you don't know anything, also you don't ask the doubts. And again, I'm very strict. Okay, in this learning, guys, I'm very strict. I'm expecting responses from you. Without response, if I ask any questions, try to respond. Whatever it is, right or wrong, that is different thing, guys. I'm not expecting you have to say the answers, correct answers. Even though if you said wrong also, I'm very happy, but I need some response from you guys. Sql DBA classes, Gautam. Sql DBA classes. Just type Sql DBA classes in the YouTube. You will get the first link. Okay, right. So you can yes, okay, you can ask questions, you can ask your doubts at any time. And guys, every topic I'll give you the some exercise, guys. Each and every topic, some exercise I'll give you at the end of the topic. You have to, okay, what you have to do, you have to complete those assignments and all. As exercise are assignments, guys. Exercises are assignments. I'll give you that assignments to you on each topic. These assignments will help you how to search it. You should be good in searching, guys. Guys, don't think all DBS, the experienced DBS are good troubleshooters are excellent. They know how to use the Google properly. That's it. In this 1.5 month, you have to become a good, you should have a good searching skills, guys. You should improve your searching techniques and all. These exercises, these assignments will help you to improve your searching skills, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give you some exercise for each topic and you have to complete the exercise. And those who completed the exercise and assignments, believe me, there are reward points in our class. I'm going to give you some reward points at the end of the course. You will be announced as a winner. Winners will get a good prize, guys. Tell me which trainer is giving this many offers. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Veeranjaneylu,
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
thank you, thank you. Veeranjaneylu, seems there is an issue from your audio. Okay, please reconnect again if you're having a issue. Try to reconnect, Veeranjaneylu. Let me send message to Veeranjaneylu. Okay, guys. So if you are completing exercise, and I'll ask some questions in each class. I'll ask some questions. If you are on the top, believe me, you will get a gift from my side, guys. I'll contribute something to give you the gifts. It's not like to attract you guys. It's like simply to generate a fire, to continue that fire till you get the job. That's it. I don't have more money to give you the gifts and all, but at least to continue the fire, at least from one batch. Okay, I want to see each batch. I want to see good. You people has to be settled in a good position, guys. Just to continue that fire, I'm giving these gifts and all. Okay, right. Job preparation, what we have to do after the course, I will explain. There is a last class we have how to prepare the resume, how to upload the resume, what is a consultancy, what is meant by payroll. And believe me, guys, we have speaker series, guys. Let me highlight this one, speaker series. Okay, 5 speakers will come from different companies. In these 5 speakers, 4 speakers are technical, 1 speaker is HR speaker, guys. HR will tell you how to manage the fake. Okay, how to manage the things properly. If you are keeping fake, no problem, you can happily keep the fake, but try to be a good fake, not bad fake. Okay, everyone will get the job as fake experience only. Without fake, we cannot get the job, but try to manage it in a good way. Don't manage it in a bad way. Don't handle it with a bad way, guys. Okay, so the HR will tell you, HR will give you the suggestions how to keep your resume, how to manage the things properly. Remaining 4 speakers are managers from different companies, team leads from different companies. Those who got the job from my previous batches, these people will come and they will give their suggestions. Okay, they will give you the suggestions and all, how to get succeeded, what kind of questions they will ask, what they will see in the what the interviewer will see in the candidate, how they will find out which is a fake resume, which is a real resume, how they can find out who is doing the calls, whether a proxy call or the person is really giving the interview, how they will manage the things internally once you are selected into the company. Everything they are going to share with you guys. This is called speaker series. 5 speakers will come and they will share all their views, guys. And believe me, they are managers and team leads in the companies, guys, in other companies. Okay, fine. Job preparation, what we have to do after the course, again there is a separate class, how to upload the resume, how to prepare the resume, everything I'm going to help you, sir. How to get the job and all. Once this is done, you can keep 4 years, 3 to 5 years, sir. I am sure with my training we are going to discuss completely from very basics to expert level. At least 5 years of experience, minimum to minimum, you can manage 5 years of experience work, you can manage, and you can crack 5 years of interviews, maximum 5 years of interviews, and maximum 5 years of work you can manage. 3 to 5, anything you can manage with our training, guys. I'm sure about it. With our training, 3 to 5 years of work you can manage, interview also you can manage. How to build the career after getting the job, guys, I'll tell you, there is again separate session how to build the career and all. So I'll help you a lot, okay, in building your careers. If I know anything, I'm going to update you guys regarding jobs and all. Okay, you can always, okay, try from your side. If you are unable to succeed, guys, believe me, I'm there with you. I'll from this point onwards, you're all with me. I'll hold your hands till you get the job. Okay. Then only I'll leave you guys. Until then, I don't leave you. It's not like just words. Every batch I'll tell the same thing. Okay. It's your wish how you are taking those words. That's it, guys. Okay. This is our course curriculum, guys. This is how our plans. And about me, nothing great about me. I'm myself Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. Okay, having 10 plus years of experience as a SQL DBA. And since 7 years, I'm in this teaching field, guys. Since 7 years, I'm training my students. Almost all, it's almost more than 500 to 600 people I just trained till now. 500 to 600 people I trained, guys. So this is just a short intro about me, guys. Okay. And any questions you can ask me about the course.
Sir, there are the one
Syllabus, sir.
question.
One by one, sir, please.
Sir, this side Sanjeev.
Yes,
There are the
Sanjeev.
one questions because there are the looking the job in L1, L2, L3 DBA. What are the difference of L1, L2, L3?
Good question. Okay. So let me differentiate these L1, L2, L3. Guys, L1, L2, L3 means level 1, level 2, level 3 DBS, guys. L1, you can expect 0 to 2.5 years experience, guys. 2.5 years. Again, it might differ from company to company. L2, okay, 2.5 to 5 years, guys. L3, in some companies, if you have more than 4 years experience also, you can be a L3, guys. In some companies, okay, what happened one time, once, okay, one of our student got a chance as a lead. Initially, beginning itself, he got as a lead. He got chance as a lead. He kept 4.5 years experience only. Okay, so it completely depends upon the company to company. So L1 means 0 to 2.5 years of experience, guys. L2 means 2.5 to Viranjanelu. I'm not sure what happened with Viranjanelu. Please check again. Everyone is able to hear. Everyone is able to hear. Please check your volume buttons. Done. Okay. So you can treat 0 to 2.5 years experience L1 guy. L1 means level 1, basic issues and all you have to handle, guys. L2 means 2.5 to 4 years or 5 years. You can treat it as L2, guys. Okay. L2 means some intermediate trouble issues and all you have to handle. L3 more than 4 years or 5 years. You can call them as L3 DBS or SMEs and all. You have to handle all the issues, whatever small or big, everything you have to handle, guys. Okay. These are the differences between L1, L2, L3, guys. Is it clear? Sanjeev?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, which certification
Yes,
in
very good
SQL
question.
DBA?
Certification, guys, we don't have certifications. Unfortunately, certifications are stopped from Jan 2021. Jan 2021, guys. This certifications has been stopped from Jan 31st, 2021. So if you want to complete the certifications, you can complete AZ 300, DP 300, guys. These are Azure certifications. Of course, some basics of on-prem SQL or DBA questions also included. So these are the certifications will help you, guys. AZ 300, DP 300.
Sir, this training for this certification is comfortably as some other training for
So
Azure
to be
SQL
frank,
DBA.
I'm very open. With the training, you cannot crack the certification. Okay, if you want certification, there are other ways. Okay, and once you got the job, once you have some real-time experience, then it will help you, sir. Okay,
Okay.
you can crack it by
Okay.
using the dumps and all. That's not a
Okay.
big deal. But the thing is, okay, if you want to crack it without dumps, with just subject, real-time exposure also is very important. In that case, you can
Okay.
AZ300, you can crack it easily. It's not a big deal. I'm sure with our
Okay.
course, you can crack this certification.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions, guys? We have 10 minutes time, please. If you have any questions, you
Sir,
can ask me.
syllabus, sir.
Syllabus, I'm
Overall.
going to share with you guys. What I can do after third class or fourth class, I'll collect all your email IDs and all. Okay, I'm going to share you the course content, what and all things we are going to discuss, everything we are going to. I'm going to share you guys directly to your email ID itself. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Please don't hesitate. I know a lot of questions you have. Please don't
Class
hesitate.
timings.
Class timings. Oh, very good question. 7 to 9 a.m. sir. 7 to 8:50. 7 to 8:50 is your class timings, and Monday to Saturday, sir. Monday to Saturday is your regular schedule. Monday to Saturday, morning 7 to 8:50. Please, sir, please mute. Okay, morning 7 to 8:50, and Sunday we don't have any class on Sunday, but depends upon the curriculum. I might take classes on Sunday, not initially, later stages, like after 1 month and all. I might take 1 or 2 Sundays from you, sir. Okay, I might need it
Sir,
to
any
get the
batches
things.
are evening?
No, sir,
Evening
there are no
classes.
evening batches. As of now, I can manage with morning batches only.
Sir, completion of the 1 month course to put a
Yes.
resume. Any
After
chance?
1 month, yes, you can keep your resume. You can put your resume. You can upload the resume. Okay. After 1 month, you can upload it. But I'll recommend you to wait for two more weeks. If you start getting the
Oh,
calls immediately, then again it's difficult to manage, right? So they will
okay.
ask you the main concepts are, we are going to discuss all the main concepts after 1 month. Now, of course, these are
Oh,
also main only. But if we
yeah.
want to discuss, if you are able to understand those concepts, means you should have this 1 month knowledge. So that's why it's better to wait for 2 more weeks. Then you can upload the resume. You can everything make ready by that time. You can simply click on post after 2 weeks. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, questions?
Hello,
Yes.
sir. You can only explain about SQL and database. Also, you can explain, sir.
Sir,
Course.
SQL is a database software, sir. SQL is itself a database software. So I'll explain about the database software completely. This SQL database software. There is no, don't think like SQL is different, database is different. Again, in this SQL, we have two designations, guys: SQL developer, SQL DBA. As a developer, okay, development, we don't discuss anything, guys. We don't discuss anything from development side. We'll completely discuss only on DBA side. There is no coding, no programming, nothing. Completely it's a GUI, graphical user interface, guys. So it's a completely GUI, nothing to worry. There is no coding, no programming and all. Okay. So we'll discuss a SQL DBS or SQL databases.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yeah, no problem. Happily.
Yeah, what is the uh, main advantage? What is the main advantage to learn compared to other software course?
Main advantage is, I told you, right? Very good question. Why I have to learn SQL DBA? If you ask me, I'll tell you one thing, sir. Definitely, it's one technology which will help you to get the job in the IT. If you go to other database technologies, check with them with a single technology. I am sure you cannot get the job. With a single technology, I am sure you cannot get the job. If you go to Oracle, again, you have to learn Linux. To be perfect in the Oracle, you have to learn Linux. And again, that Linux is also not enough. Again, you have to learn some rack and all. Lot of other things also you have to learn. So DBA, SQL DBA is one software which is easy to learn, and lot of openings are there. And again, it's easy to what we can say, manage also. It's easy to manage the work in the organization, sir. These are the three advantages with the SQL DBA when compared to other technologies. And if you don't
Uh,
postpone the things, guys, don't postpone the things. Definitely, if you postpone the things, okay, timings are not set for me, or else you are facing different issues. You don't have money, and if you keep postponing, means that's it. You have to keep postponing. And one more important point I'll tell you, sir. After 6 months or 1 year or 8 months, you want to learn the same course. Okay, apart from this SQL DBA, you have to learn Azure also. So again, you have to spend 2 times of time, 2 times of money, 2 times of your efforts, but only for a single package. Again, you will get the same package. So try to continue this batch. This is going to be completed by March 15th. From March onwards, again, the calls are going to be increased. So you can happily settle once you are very clear, once you are confident in this course, guys. If you postpone the things, I'm sure again you will call back to me. Definitely you will only tell me, sir, again I have to learn 2 technologies. Again I have to spend 2 times of money. That's up to you. That's you can decide. Okay. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, and also, I mean, using this SQL server, we can find the GUI option. When you come to Oracle and other
Yeah.
things, we
Correct.
don't
Correct.
buy any GUI.
Yeah, that's what easy to learn.
That's a great
The
thing about
Oracle,
SQL server.
in the Oracle, if you want to manage the databases, you have to learn Linux and all. But in the GUI, you can happily, like, GUI means graphical user interface. How you are handling your laptop, guys. That is your GUI. Now right click, you can copy. If you want to copy the file, right click, copy, right click, paste. But if you don't have GUI, then again you have to use copy command, CP command, to copy the things in the Linux machines and all. Okay, so this is easy to learn. Main thing is easy to learn.
Yes.
If possible, any suggestions for first day of joining? Prasad, my suggestion is always prepare your own notes. If you want to get succeeded, always prepare your own notes. Try to be punctual, guys. We are not like other trainer guys. You can see they will take classes for 1 day. They will give you leaves for 3 days. As a trainer, my aim is to build some confidence in you guys. If we take classes 1 day and if I gave 2-3 days leaves, definitely all your interest is going to be gone. You don't learn anything. Even though the trainer is very good, if he's taking the breaks, that's it, guys. At exactly 7 o'clock, the session will be started. Believe me, we are students from in this batch. We have some students from old batch 41. Ask them at exactly 7 o'clock, the meeting link will open. Not even a single day I took the leave. That's the
Yes, sir.
dedication.
Yes, sir.
That's the dedication from my side. That type of dedication I'm expecting from you guys. Not even a single day I took the leave. People only asked me, sir, we need a Pongal leaves and all. Then only I gave the leaves. At exactly 7 o'clock, the class. Why? Because dedication is very important. If we give leave for 1 day, definitely you people happily, you people are going to enjoy, guys. That's why try to join exactly at 7 o'clock. Okay. And try to join daily. Yes. Any
Sure,
questions?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm basically
Sir,
from
how to
Nothing to
English
worry,
is
guys. In
very
case
less.
if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll open the meeting link again. Yeah. Tell me, sir. Tell me.
Sir, basically I am in the
how to
spoken
practice, sir?
English just
One
less,
minute,
sir.
sir. He is asking. Yeah. Tell me. Continue, sir. Continue.
How to practice, sir?
Can I get any problem?
No problem. Sir, wait. How to practice? You can please hold your question. Someone is asking the questions. Can you please continue?
I will be basically English will be low, less, sir,
No
spoken
problem.
English.
No problem. Actually, a very excellent point, sir. Nothing to worry about the English. English doesn't matter for us. If
In
you are
interview,
yes, in the interview also, guys, interviewers don't check your communication. You are not working for call center, guys. Believe me,
okay.
you are not working for call center to check your communication skills and all. If there are some particular projects, if you have to continuously communicate with the customers in the calls like Microsoft and all, for that they will check the communication. But remember, guys, if you are good in the subject, language is not a barrier to you. Okay. So forget whether you are from Telugu background, Hindi background, any background, Tamil background, happily you can attempt, happily you can join. And lot of North Indian colleagues, they will
My best
communicate in the meetings also.
in
They
the
will communicate. Yeah.
interviews also.
Just a minute. In the meetings also, they will communicate in the Hindi only, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So nothing to worry about the language. It's not at all a barrier.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes.
Maybe it will be useful for others also.
Yes.
పోయేది అందరూ
Yeah.
పోతారు అది కాదు ఇది కాదు
Guys, if
Hello,
you're
hello,
done with your
Mr.
question, please mute it, guys. If you're done with your question, please mute it. Please mute it, guys.
తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు నువ్వే పట్టుకొని పోతే
Sir,
వాళ్ళు
I want to upgrade my RAM, sir.
అందుకే నువ్వు
From
పంపించేస్తా
which
బా.
session maybe expect? To that time I can extend my
గడ్డి పోయి
RAM.
1 minute, 1 minute. Who is talking,
రామ
guys?
గుడి కాడ
I asked you to mute. Okay.
పోయి ఉంటే
Let me mute Suresh Babu, I guess. Who is asking the questions? Ankama?
Sir.
Yeah, Ankam, you can please continue.
Yeah, I want to update my RAM, sir.
Okay. Guys, one minute, 1 minute. Let me
8 to
reopen the meeting link. Please, you can ask your questions. Let me reopen the meeting link. Please join with the same link, guys. Please join with the same link.
Okay, sir.